We are here to inform the people of Imo State and Nigeria at large that another great opportunity has come for the state to host the 8th Annual National Council on Communication and Digital Economy. The annual meeting of the Federal Ministry of Communication and Digital Economy goes in our own dear state, Imo, with the Ministry of Science and Technology as the host ministry. This council meeting is the converging point where all the stakeholders in the ICT sector deliberate on the national guest to attend a development paradigm based on digital economy, which is the most respected economy globally. This is achieved through the following policy pillars: environmental regulation, digital skills, solid infrastructure, service infrastructure, digital services, software infrastructure, and indigenous content development. This leads to the agreement to host annual meetings so as to improve on e-commerce, e-agriculture, and capacity training. The Federal Ministry of Communications through Digital Economy is the mother ministry of the National Information Technology Development Agency, popularly called NIDA, the National Communication Satellite Limited, the NICONSAT, the Nigeria Communication Commission, the NCC, the Nigerian Postal Agency, the NIPOST, the National Frequency Management Council, and presently, as His Excellency, the President of Nigeria, did it, the National Identity Management, NIMSIC. The choice of Imo as the hosting state was born out of the moves by our dear governor, distinguished Senator Hope Uzodinma, whom on assumption of office reduced the right of way from the formal 4,500 per meter to 145 per meter. He also converted. That one really touched everybody in Imo, the almighty First Lady's office, to Imo Data Center, where the recent digital process of e-payment is handled to prove his desire to digitalize the state. On security, permit me to say that His Excellency has joined few other states of the Federation in commissioning of the Emergency Call Center with the Emergency Code 112, which makes security agents accessible with over 100 security vans and ambulances. This event has the capacity of creating an opportunity for the state to showcase its rich potentials for prospective inventors in ICT and IT sector. Secondly, IT, being the driving force of modern economy, will provide a veritable platform for the Imo State government to dialogue with critical stakeholders in the sector, with a view of partnering with them in the areas of e-agriculture and e-governance. Thirdly, the federal agencies responsible for the development of the ICT and IT sectors will be present. As such, this will provide an avenue for the state to tap from the numerous inventors from the agencies. The Imo State Ministry of Science and Technology has written to NCC when we noticed some faults and errors that are being done by the telecom companies. And this event would help us, or be a very good avenue to address the issues of non-participation of the telecom industries in the development of this state. We therefore welcome the Honorable Minister of Communication and Digital Economy and his team, the 36 Honorable Commissioners of the 36 states of this country, and all ICT stakeholders in the Federation to Imo State. We are coming to Imo to make sure that the mantra which His Excellency has released to his people on assumption of office is partly established here, because digitalization of Imo will be portrayed real here by the time we go into making sure that all the ministries are automated. I want to say every other stakeholder in Imo is invited. The venue is Ayajoko Center. The date is 27th to the 1st of December. It's a 5-day program. We are going to be hammering purely on what to be done to make sure that Nigeria in totality survives the post-COVID. That is the major reason why we are coming this year, inviting us to be part of it. And by the time we do that, all of us will be happy that after COVID, post-COVID coming, and we are all able to overcome whatever challenge that follows.